Hello YouTube, and in today's video we're going to learn how to shoot a BB gun. So this is just your generic spring-loaded BB gun. It is a Recruit made by Crosman. It's their model 525. So yeah, let's get into how to shoot an airsoft gun. Not airsoft, why do I keep... Okay, so what you're gonna do is make sure there aren't any ducks or geese where you're shooting, because of federal law saying that you can't shoot any ducks or wildlife without a license. As you can see, there's ducks on my property, so steer clear for those. So let's get into the gun basics. So there are three. The difference between airsoft and BB is BBs are made of metal, and sorry, I don't know why my tripod keeps doing that. But the difference is BBs are made of metal, and airsoft pellets are made of plastic. So how you load this, my model at least, make sure it's on safe, and it will usually have like a red thing right there saying that it's not on safe. See, now it can fire. So how you load this model is you pull back the spring, and there's two different types spring and CO2, but they act the same. CO2 might act a bit different because it's CO2 powered. So, and then you just put that forward. Okay, so let's put it on safe for now. So I'll give you a quick view of the scope if you can see through it. I don't think you guys can see in there, but there's a little, there it is. There's a little tiny hole for the magnification. So let's get into how to shoot it. So what you want to hold it like is like this, like a real gun. If you haven't held a real gun, like a shotgun or a sniper or an AR or something, you hold it like this, and you usually use your side eye, which is my left eye. So how you can find your side eye is put your finger at something, so let's say the camera, and close one eye, and if your finger hasn't moved, that means you're sighted with that eye that stays open. Like my right eye, it moves a bit. So yeah, so now how to hold it, we already went over this, like a shotgun or like an AR. So now this is pump, this is a pump one, so you just pump 5 or 7 times and then take it off safe. Make sure you're not playing towards your house or anybody else, because that could get you a lot in trouble. So we're gonna aim away from those ducks right there, and we're gonna take it off safe. And there's sights in there, or see this, that's to line it up in the air, and sights, which I don't have. Well, I have them, but I'm just using the scope. So you wanna line up the center dot with the middle of the crosshair, and then release the trigger. And you might have heard that. Let me get another bullet and zoom in. Okay, so that's all I can zoom. Let me get another bullet, or pellet, I should say. You should always take it off safe when you're reloading. Okay. So reload, pull this back, boom, and there's usually a magnet for the ones that are metal. 5 or 7 times. Take off safe. And you probably didn't see that, but I'll review in the footage. So yeah, that's how to shoot an airsoft BB gun properly. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and consider dropping a like and even subscribe and comment down below.